Are you ready to take your aerial adventures to the next level? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best DJI drones of 2025. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a content creator, or just love capturing stunning landscapes, these drones are packed with cutting-edge features, incredible camera quality, and unmatched flight performance. Stick around until the end because one drone on this list is an absolute game-changer you won't want to miss. As always, you can find pricing information for each product in the description below. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Number 5. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is a compact and affordable drone that caters to both novice and experienced drone enthusiasts. Weighing just 135 grams, it's extremely lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry on all your adventures. With a 12MP camera and a 4K video recording capability at 30 frames per second, the Neo is a fantastic option for high-quality aerial photography and videography. Thanks to its advanced AI technology, the Neo is capable of smart tracking, where the drone can follow a subject with precision, making it ideal for capturing dynamic shots. With a maximum range of 10 kilometers, the Neo offers users a considerable distance for exploration without compromising signal quality. It also includes several flight modes like Droney, Orbit, and Boomerang, which make creative shooting easy. The drone's internal storage offers 22 GB, which is convenient for storing media on the go. Additionally, the Neo is designed to withstand wind speeds of up to level 4, allowing it to fly smoothly in various weather conditions. For beginners, its easy-to-use DJI Fly app offers guided flight modes and a seamless control system. The Neo's price is highly competitive, with the base model priced at $119 and the Fly More combo available for $349. Overall, the DJI Neo stands as an excellent entry-level drone for those seeking portability and high-quality performance. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a powerhouse in the drone market, known for its stunning image quality and advanced flight capabilities. It features a remarkable triple camera system with a 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, which is known for producing rich, detailed, and professional-grade photos and videos. Whether you are capturing expansive landscapes or detailed close-ups, the Mavic 3 Pro handles it all effortlessly. The drone supports 5.1K video recording at 50 FPS, ensuring high-definition cinematic footage with smooth motion. For slow-motion shots, it supports 4K video at 120 FPS, perfect for professional videography. One of its standout features is the O3 Plus transmission system, which ensures a stable connection with a maximum range of up to 15 kilometers. The drone also features omnidirectional obstacle sensors, making it incredibly safe and reducing the likelihood of accidents. Its intelligent flight modes like Active Track 5.0 and Master Shots offer automatic tracking and predefined shooting sequences, perfect for content creators looking for ease and efficiency. Despite its powerful features, the Mavic 3 Pro is still relatively compact, with foldable arms for easy transport. At a price of $2,199, it is positioned as a premium option for professionals who require top-tier performance and features in their drone. Number 3. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 strikes a perfect balance between performance, portability, and price. With its sleek design and lightweight frame, the Air 3 is easy to carry around, making it a great companion for both travel and outdoor adventures. The dual-camera setup is one of its most appealing features. It includes a 1-inch CMOS wide-angle camera and a 1.3-inch CMOS telephoto camera, which provides excellent versatility and high-quality images. The drone records 4K video at 100 FPS, making it perfect for capturing dynamic and high-definition footage. The maximum flight time of 46 minutes is exceptional for a drone of its size, allowing you to explore vast areas without worrying about battery life. The O4 video transmission system ensures that you get ultra-responsive control, providing smooth 1080 60 FPS live feeds even at distances of up to 20 kilometers. In addition, the Air 3 supports intelligent flight modes like Focus Track, Master Shots, and Quick Shots, which make it easier to create cinematic content. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced pilot, the Air 3's intuitive controls make it a joy to fly. The drone's safety features, including obstacle sensors on all sides, give you peace of mind while flying. Priced at $10.99, the DJI Air 3 offers excellent value for users who want advanced features without breaking the bank. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro offers premium drone features in a small, user-friendly package, making it a favorite among drone enthusiasts and travelers alike. Despite its compact size, the Mini 4 Pro boasts a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor that delivers excellent image quality with 48 MP stills and 4K 60 FPS video recording. With a maximum flight time of 46 minutes, the Mini 4 Pro outperforms many of its competitors in its weight class, giving you ample time to capture the perfect shot. Its lightweight design, weighing just 249 grams, makes it incredibly portable and easy to take anywhere. The intelligent flight modes, such as Focus Track and Quick Shots, allow you to create cinematic footage effortlessly, even if you are new to drone flying. The Mini 4 Pro is equipped with obstacle sensors on all sides, ensuring a safer flying experience, especially when navigating complex environments. The drone's compact form factor and foldable arms make it easy to store and transport. With a price tag of $699, the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers incredible value, combining high-end features with ease of use. Whether you are capturing stunning landscapes or creating professional-level videos, the Mini 4 Pro makes it easy to achieve your creative vision. Number 1. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is the latest innovation from DJI, offering a fresh design and powerful features. Though still in the development phase, early reports indicate that the Flip will revolutionize the drone industry with its compact, foldable design. This design change is expected to make the Flip quieter during flight and more aerodynamic, improving flight stability and battery life. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and LiDAR array, the Flip will be capable of delivering smooth and precise footage, even in challenging conditions. The drone is expected to feature DJI's O4 video transmission system for ultra-smooth 1080p 60 FPS live streaming and control. The Flip's expected flight time is 30 to 40 minutes, which is impressive considering its compact design. With a lightweight build, the Flip will be easy to carry and perfect for users who need a portable, high-performance drone. The drone is rumored to feature various intelligent flight modes, including automatic subject tracking and smart shooting sequences. Although the release date is still unknown, the DJI Flip is expected to cost around $499, making it a highly affordable entry in DJI's lineup. The Flip is likely to replace the upcoming Mini 5 series, offering excellent performance at a fraction of the price of larger drones. With its potential for both hobbyists and professionals, the DJI Flip promises to deliver great value and exciting new possibilities.